Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to get pink lips like this. Now I'll be needing a scrub. I made this scrub in a video. I'm going to upload it soon after this one. You pick a little portion and start to rub it on your lip. This process is called exfoliation. You do this to remove dead cells and particles that darken lips. Over time, it's going to reveal the inner pinker lips. Now after washing it, you see that my lips became pinker than before. Now you go in with your Vaseline, any Vaseline of your choice. You go in with your spoon, the tip of your spoon or fork. Then go with a container, and lastly turmeric powder. You start by adding a generous amount of the Vaseline into the container. You can put as much as you want, depending on how many size that you want. So you do that, you put another one just like I'm doing. Now you've seen that I put a generous amount of Vaseline. The next thing I'm going to be putting is the turmeric. The turmeric serves as a lightening agent for your skin, for your lips, and even skin. So remember that you have to be consistent in anything that you do to see results. You need to be consistent, at least apply it every night to your lips. But disclaimer, please don't exfoliate your skin every day. Don't add the scrub on your lip or even on your skin every day. It's not advisable. So now you see that I've made a paste of the Vaseline and turmeric. This is the lip balm which I'll be applying every night. I'll take a generous amount and apply on my lips. And there you go, you've just made yourself a sumptuous lip balm that you can apply every night or every morning. This is the end of my video. Bye.